Welcome to Brownlows. New edition today, Vauxhall Cascada, just coming to stock. It's a petrol manual convertible, only 65,000 miles on the clock. The car will come with a 12 months MOT with no advisories. A 3-month warranty is standard. The guy who part exchanged it bought a newer variant off us, loved the car, just wanted a newer car, updated, but this car won't be here long at 5,995. Inside the Cascada, we have full velour trim. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, satellite navigation, air conditioning, Bluetooth telephony with a USB port as well, electric operation for your roof, electric windows all round with automatic headlights. The car, like I say, will come with a 12 months MOT with no advisories, 5,995. This car will not be here long. Now is the time to buy a convertible. Where do you get them?
Brownlows Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlows Cars, the name you can trust.